Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error Logtransport2 exe application error on closing the computer in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So you have to go to this website account.adobe.com, okay, and then you can click on this option account and security and then go to data and privacy settings. Okay, now we have two switches here. The first one is to share information on how I use Adobe apps. If it's on, turn it off. This should be off. And the second one is allow Adobe to analyze my content processed or stored on Adobe servers for product improvement. If this is on, turn it off. I always keep it off. I never turn it on. So the second you do this, it will ease down the logtransport.exe process on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.